friends. I hope you have a great time. Okay, today I'm gonna talk about present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. How do we make the present perfect tense in English? Okay, and can you think of the grammar rule? Here we have one example for the present perfect. Sophia has swum in the ocean many times. It is one example for the present perfect tense. Okay, how to form and how to make examples for the present perfect. The present perfect has two parts. The first one is the auxiliary and the next one is the main verb. The auxiliary verb for the present perfect is to have verb. We can use has or have. Plus past participle. The main verb is used in past participle form. Okay, but what does past participle mean? Past participle for regular past tense verbs, the ed form. For example, liked, walked, worked, talked. Past participle with the past form of the verb, they are the same for the regular verbs. Liked is a past participle, and also liked is the past form of a verb. How to know it is a past participle or past form of the verb? According to the uses in the sentence. Okay, if we use it in simple past, it is the past form of the verb. If we use it in the present perfect, it is the past participle of the verb. For irregular past verbs, we have to memorize the past participle. They are different. For example, been. Been is the past participle is to be. Seen is the past participle of seen. Have, had. Eat, eaten. Show, shown. Write, written. Main uses of present perfect. We are gonna talk about the three main uses of the present perfect tense. The first use is something that is started in the past and is still true now. I have worked at ACC since 2000. Okay, in 2000 I started working there. Up to now I work there. Susan has lived in New York for long time. Okay, long time ago she started living there, and now also she is living there. I have known my best friend since I was 14. When I was 14, I knew my friend. Up to now, I know my friend. Number 2, indefinite past action when the time is unspecified, okay, unstated or unknown. Example, I have flown on a plane before. I don't know the exact time when I flew on a plane, but I have some experience about this. Okay, I can say that I have flown on a plane before. Jim has traveled to Paris. Number 3, repeated past action. The action could happen again. Okay, those actions that they repeated in the past, but maybe now also they happen. Anna has gone to Balbo Park many times. In the past, she went that park. Okay, so a lot. Now maybe sometimes she goes there. I have flown on a plane a lot. It is another example. We have some keywords for the present perfect. The first one is already. Already is an adverb. Already, it means before now. I have already finished my homework. It means right now my homework is done. Not yet. Not yet is adverb. Not before now. Not before now. It is the opposite of already. Scientists have not yet discovered a cure. Never. Never is also adverb. Not at any time. In the past, including now. Okay, I have never seen such a beautiful sunset. Ever. Ever is adverb at any time, including the present. Used only in questions. Have you ever ridden a horse? The position of adverb or adverb placement with two verbs, helping verb and main verb. We have two verbs, helping verb and main verb in the present perfect. Place the adverb in the middle between the auxiliary and the main verb. I have never eaten sushi, and here never is adverb. We use between auxiliary and the main verb. Okay, have is auxiliary, eaten is the main verb. Other expressions used with present perfect, we can use several times, many times, a few times, a couple of times, a lot, for indefinite or repeated past actions. So here is one example. I have been to Las Vegas a lot. Since and for. We use since and for with the present perfect. Since is used to talk about a specific point in the past, okay, when the action is started, the exact time that the action is started. And for is used for duration and length of time. Here are some practice for since and for. Since January, for 10 years, since Monday, since 12 noon, since I got up, for 5 minutes, since 5 minutes ago, for 4 days, since 6, since yesterday, for a month, since 2 days ago, since August 1st, since 2004, for an hour, since I was young. Okay, there are some practices about since and for. This is all about the present perfect tense. Good luck, and remember, practice makes perfect. Have a great time.